I never thought twice about earning money from my phone. Fast forward to the age of smartphones, and it started to make sense. Today, it's amazing how easy it is to earn some side cash from the palm of my hand. Today, I'm going to show you best 14 online earning apps to make real money without any investment. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 1. Ebates. Ebates is one of my favorite online best earning apps because you get cash back for things you're going to buy anyway, as long as you do it through their app. How? Stores pay Ebates a commission for sending customers to their store. Ebates splits that commission with you, so you both win. I've made over $500 from shopping online through Ebates and referring friends. 2. Dosh. Dosh is a must-have cash-back app. I absolutely love it. It's all passive income since all you need to do is link your credit or debit card and it will automatically give you cash back when you shop, eat, travel, and more at participating local and national merchants. I forgot I had this app, and I was out to dinner with my husband for our anniversary and received this email after we paid. And this keeps happening when I use my credit card at participating merchants. I've made $75 with this app from using my card at participating stores and referring friends. 3. Ibotta. Ibotta is another app that allows you to get cash back for items you buy anyway. I love this app. Download the Ibotta app and before you shop, add offers on products you normally purchase anyway. Buy the products you selected at any participating store. Don't forget your receipt. Redeem your offers by taking a photo of your receipt. Ibotta will match the items you bought to the offers you selected and give you the cash. Your cash back will be deposited into your Ibotta account within 48 hours. I've made $105.53 so far from a combination of shopping and referring friends. If you tell your friends to sign up, they get $10 and you get $5. 4. Acorns. Acorns is a neat money-earning app to get you to start micro-investing. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference on your behalf. For example, if you buy a coffee for $1.75, Acorns will round it up to $2 and automatically invest 25 cents in smart portfolios. You can link as many credit or debit cards as you like and put your change to work for you in a low-cost ETF. I recently downloaded this app and made over $50 without even noticing. There are no fees associated with withdrawing, just keep in mind that it may be more of a tax implication for the following year. 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another app for earning money that will pay you to take surveys, watch videos, search the web, refer friends, and test products. This app won't make you rich, but it's an easy way to make some extra money. I've recently downloaded this app and I'm at 477 SB, Swagbucks. If you sign up with my referral link, you'll already beat me with the $5 sign-up bonus. I could get a $5 Amazon gift card, 1 Swagbuck equals 1 cent, with this amount, but I plan on doing the things mentioned above, which will help me earn $50 to $100 a month. 6. Healthy Wage. Healthy Wage is a money-earning app supported by the government to incentivize people to lose weight by putting their own money at risk with a potential to earn up to $10,000. Start with a Healthy Wage prize calculator. Enter how much weight you want to lose, how long you'll take to lose it, and how much you want to bet a month for that period of time. The calculator determines your prize amount, up to $10,000. You can play around with the calculator until you get your desired prize amount. Sign up and agree to pay the monthly amount for the duration of the challenge. Achieve your weight loss goal and win your prize. If you don't hit your goal, your money goes to support Healthy Wage, including prizes for others who achieve their goals. 7. Instacart. Do you need to make money fast? Consider Instacart and get paid for doing something you do almost every week: grocery shopping. People pay for convenience every day, and that does not exclude the daunting task of grocery shopping. Instacart has capitalized on this need for those who want to leave the shopping to someone else. It opens a door for you to fulfill the orders, make the delivery, and get paid. You can easily make $100 or more per day in just 3 hours. This is one of the best apps to make money fast. 8. Seated. So, here's the thing. When I became a stay-at-home mom, we've had to cut costs on going out to eat. I need every incentive to go out to eat, and thanks to Seated, I get paid when I eat out, if I make a reservation through their app. The payment is in gift cards, and you can typically make $10 to $50 each time you book a reservation. I know someone who eats out a lot and made $200 in 1 month using this online earning app. Book an available reservation on the app and choose your preferred reward: Lyft, Amazon, or Starbucks gift card. Dine out and upload a photo of your receipt to verify what you've spent. Your selected reward code will be delivered digitally in the app within 24 hours of each successful reservation. Restaurants are always looking for ways to get new loyal customers. That's why they are willing to give $10 to $50 in hopes they become loyal customers. The Seated app is such a great idea. 9. FOAP. FOAP is a money-earning app that photographers can use to make money from their phones. You do not have to be a professional photographer, but it would be good to learn how to make quality photos from your smartphone. The FOAP app has something called missions, where companies will tell you what kind of photo or video they are looking for. And if you decide to take on that mission and your photo or video is selected, you could win hundreds of dollars. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or more multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the company is after. 10. Trim. Want to negotiate your Comcast bill for a lower price, lower your car insurance, and find additional ways to save money? Let the Trim app do it for you. Trim acts as your personal financial assistant. Link your bank to the Trim app, and they will analyze your spending and work to save you money in every area. Money saved is money earned. Trim makes money by taking 25% of the money they save you, so you know they are working extra hard to save you money. 11. Rakuten. How it works. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, rewards shoppers with up to 40% cash back on purchases from well-known realtors, restaurants, and food delivery services. Users can also earn cash back on travel, gift cards, and more. It's straightforward. Create an account, tap on the store where you want to shop in the app, then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Rakuten account to earn cash back in-store, as long as you activate the deal through the app first. Rakuten credits the cash back to your account after it confirms the purchase with a realtor, which it says can take a few hours to several days. 12. Poshmark. Here's how it works. The Poshmark app is tailor-made for selling clothes, accessories, and even home decor. After signing up, you take or upload photos of your item, fill out a description, price it, and share the listing. You can also feature items in the app's Posh Parties, which are vital shopping events centered around particular brands, categories, and themes. Poshmark enables you to prepare shipping labels once a purchase is made. Then, you send the package. 13. Rover. Rover is a money-making app that helps pet owners find qualified pet sitters and dog walkers to care for their animals. You can offer various services such as overnight pet boarding, dog walking, or doggy daycare. This is an especially great option if you have a work-from-home job. The major perk? You can set your own rates. Rover collects a service fee of 20%, so if you charge $20 per walk, you'll keep $16 and Rover will take the other $4. Once your services are complete, you can redeem your earnings for free via PayPal or pay $2 to receive a check in the mail. You'll have to pass a background check and provide references. Once approved, you can start making money fast with Rover. The platform offers 24/7 veterinary support, insurance, and you can accept as many or as few pet sitting or walking jobs as you want. 14. GigWalk. GigWalk is one of the more unique app-based job services. It pays people to help them gather data for market research. You don't need a vehicle, and you won't be making deliveries or filling out surveys. GigWalk helps companies with a range of small tasks. Many of the gigs involve going to a local business and taking pictures of how certain products are displayed or stocked. Users can make anywhere from $3 to $100 per gig, depending on the difficulty and length. Most take as few as 5 minutes, but others can take a few hours. It can take a few days for your work to be approved and for you to get paid. You also have to follow the instructions carefully to make sure you understand, If you misread it, then you may not get paid, so pay close attention to all the instructions for each gig. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.